Okay, now we have to open the case, but we still have some other screws. So let's remove all of them. Okay. You see, it popped out like this. It's so inflated that the battery is pushing this apart, and it's dangerous because when the battery reaches that level, it can also explode. Now we have a problem. I can't open this screw, so I try with another screwdriver. Okay, that one was better. So unfortunately those little screwdrivers usually are so bad that they break, and then you can't do anything anymore. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's put the screw here. I find this kind of pad here very convenient in order to have all the screws in a position that will help you in order to remember where they were located. Okay, look at this. Look. So it's completely inflated. Now we also have to remove those two screws probably. So I need a bigger screwdriver, like this one. Okay. Wow. Let's see now how we can do it. Okay, first I need to remove this. Okay, the back is so bent that I can't easily remove this thing. So we have to do it carefully. Okay, here we are. Here it is. Okay. So now we can remove the SIM card. How can we do it? Okay. Here we have it. So this is the SIM card. And now there are other two screws, this one and this one. Okay. Okay, so we are almost there. Okay. Now the back is moving. So you see, those screws have a little O-ring. You see, it's made in black rubber. So this thing is supposed to seal the phone because this is an IP68 phone, so it has a good degree of, let's say, waterproof protection. So we have to be careful not to lose those O-rings. Okay, so now finally we can open the phone, and oh, this thing is literally exploding. Look how fat it became. Okay.